We will begin by reviewing the W-4 form. The first step here will be to select your filing status. You will select the one that best applies. In my case, I will be selecting single. You will submit your filing status, and after your filing status has been recorded, you will be prompted to view the full W-4 form. If you wish to claim as exempt for withholding of taxes, please enter 0 for step 3 and type exempt in this box here below 4C. You will then sign your form and submit. To proceed with withholdings, please follow along. Step number 2 is not required, but it is recommended to complete this step if you hold more than one job at a time or are married filing jointly and your spouse also works. For step number 3, we will be calculating dependents. If you have dependents under the age of 17, you will multiply that amount by 2,000. 0 is an acceptable answer if you have no dependents in this category. In my case, I have 3 dependents under 17, so 3 times 2,000 equals 6,000. For the next category here, we will multiply any other dependent over the age of 17 by 500. Again, 0 is an acceptable answer if you have no dependents, but in my case, I have 1 dependent over 17, so I will multiply 1 by 500, which equals 500. You will then need to add these two amounts to gather the total amount for step number 3. 0 is still an acceptable answer, but in my case, the total amount is 6,500. Step number 4 is optional. For 4A, if you want taxes withheld for other income that you expect this year that doesn't have any withholdings, you will enter that amount here. For 4B, if you expect to claim deductions other than the standard deduction and want to reduce your withholding, scroll through page 3, the deductions worksheet, and enter the results here. For 4C, please note any additional withholdings that you would like in your paycheck. 0 is an acceptable answer here, but in my case, I want an additional $15 removed from each paycheck. Once you have completed the steps, you will sign your form and submit.